Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Just Eat apps not loading. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Just Eat app. Now tap on app info option. Now tap on storage usage and now tap on clear cache and then clear data and now OK. Now close this app. Go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPhone. Now tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Just Eat. So you can see Just Eat app is here. So here you should have to tap on update button option to update this app to the latest version. Here you are seeing open button because I have updated it already, but you will see update option. So simply tap on that. This will fix the issue. Thanks.